KACE Law Solicitors. We are a group of experts who knows how to deal with your legal matters, ensuring your desired results. Our team of lawyers have over 40 years' experience dealing with immigration law, family law, civil litigation, criminal litigation, employment law, housing, and welfare benefit. At KACE Law Solicitors, we provide professional legal services with enthusiasm and passion. To find out about how we can help you, please call us today on 020-782-0164 and 0. Our 24 hours mobile line is 077-239-5093 and 0. For more information, email us on info@caselawsolicitors.co.uk or log on to our website at www.caselawsolicitors.co.uk. Our office is located at 81 Lothian Road, London, SW9 6TS. Contact us today and you will be glad you did. At KACE Law Solicitors, your peace is our priority.
A very good evening to you, and thanks for joining us tonight on the first edition of LegalPoint by KACE Law Solicitors. LegalPoint is a show that deals with everyday issues of life from a legal point of view. I am your host, Esther Olufemi. How have you been? How are you coping at these challenging periods? I want to believe you're doing great and staying safe. For the next few weeks on this show, we'll be looking at the effect of the pandemic on our daily lives. What challenges people are facing, help available to them, dealing with these challenges, and how to actually access this help. And beginning tonight, we'll be looking at the topic, the effect of the pandemic on business and employment. And I've got a very beautiful lady, a lawyer and a businesswoman in the house with me tonight to deal with us on this topic. I'll go on a short break, and when I return, you'll be able to meet my guest tonight, and we'll kick the ball rolling. Please stay with us. Don't touch the dial. We'll be right back.
Thinking of a well-experienced solicitor to deal with your legal matters? Think KACE Law Solicitors. We are a group of experts who knows how to deal with your legal matters, ensuring your desired results. Our team of lawyers have over 40 years' experience dealing with immigration law, family law, civil litigation, criminal litigation, employment law, housing, and welfare benefit. At KACE Law Solicitors, we provide professional legal services with enthusiasm and passion. To find out about how we can help you, please call us today on 020-782-0164 and 0. Our 24 hours mobile line is 077-239-5093 and 0. For more information, email us on info@caselawsolicitors.co.uk or log on to our website at www.caselawsolicitors.co.uk. Our office is located at 81 Lothian Road, London, SW9 6TS. Contact us today and you will be glad you did. At KACE Law Solicitors, your peace is our priority.
Exotic Fruits and Cocktails specializes in fresh fruit displays such as palm tree displays, fruit platters, fruit carvings, and a variety of personalized fruit displays. We also provide an excellent range of fresh organic juices and smoothies, and we provide an outstanding cocktail and mocktail service for all private and corporate events, including weddings, birthday celebrations, christenings, and all types of celebrations. If you are interested in any of our products, please give us a call on 079 511 70889 or check out our website.
Welcome back, and thanks for staying with us. Riding with us tonight on the topic of the effect of the pandemic on business and employment in the United Kingdom and perhaps across the globe is the one and only Helen. Kehinde. Good evening.
Hi, thank you very much for having me.
It's a pleasure having you on our show tonight. Can we meet you, please?
Most definitely. So my name is Helen Kehinde. I'm a lawyer and I'm also an entrepreneur. I run a business in the event and hospitality sector.
Fantastic.
I'm also a mother, a wife, daughter, sister, friend.
Wow, you're wearing so many caps, aren't you?
I am. And I'm also very passionate about young people achieving their career goals.
Fantastic. That's our guest tonight for you, Helen Kehinde, a lawyer and a businesswoman, a mother, an entrepreneur, a coach, a mentor. Can you imagine? She's wearing so many hats. Okay, let's get down to the point tonight. Before we do, like you said, you are a lawyer. You are into legal practice.
Yes,
Can you share with us briefly tonight your legal journey?
Okay, absolutely. So I studied A-level law, and then I went on to study a law degree at the University of Essex. Then I went on to complete my master's, and then I finally hit the nail on the head, a legal practice course for solicitors.
Wow.
So I've been in the legal field for about 13 years.
Wow.
And I'm currently working in tax litigation and civil disputes.
Wow.
So far, the journey has been interesting, it's
Wow.
been exciting.
Wow.
But I've also faced many challenges at different stages, and I can briefly touch on some of them. So the first is I'm a lawyer from the BAME community, and at times we haven't been given the opportunities to show that we are capable. Law is a saturated area, and a lot of thousands of law students graduate every year, and because of that it's not possible for everyone to secure a training contract and to also go on to qualify. And the final challenge is, for me, would be the fact that senior lawyers don't actually emphasize how long this journey can take. We at uni, we all hear, oh, it's 5 years, it's 6 years, but actually it can take anything between 10 and 15 years. But generally it's been interesting, exciting, and it's been a constant learning process.
Interesting. A journey of 13 solid years. If I may ask, wasn't it for you? Why law?
For me, I'm very passionate about law, and I find that if you're passionate about something, you will give it your all. And I'm very passionate about fighting for justice. I'm very passionate about, this might seem funny, but talking. and I'm very passionate about speaking on behalf of people, because there's lots of people out there who can't speak on behalf of themselves. They can't persuade people with just the simplest things. So I really enjoy that side of law, and that's the reason why I kept on going with it.
Wow, it's been a journey.
It has.
Now you are a team case law, am I right?
Absolutely, yes.
So
I'm a member.
tell us about Case Law Solicitors.
Well, Case Law Solicitors is an outstanding law firm.
Interesting.
So they cover various areas of law. So employment law, immigration, family, housing, and welfare benefits. We are a result-driven law firm. We're diverse, and we believe in achieving the best result for our clients. And most importantly, we understand the struggles and the fears that people go through when they have legal matters.
Absolutely.
So we believe that everyone who has a legal matter should have access to affordable legal advice. And that's why I say this firm is outstanding. And another reason is because the firm is aware of how difficult it is for lawyers to achieve their career goals. And so we're here to help and support aspiring lawyers.
Fantastic.
We're here to support law students. So if you're out there and you need guidance, support, you want to go into law, Case Law Solicitors is the firm for you.
It's your home.
It
Interesting.
is. And actually, we're looking for caseworkers at the moment. So if you are a caseworker, you have experience already, or you would like to become a caseworker, we have a job opportunity for you.
Fantastic.
And you can contact us.
Okay.
www.caselawsolicitors.co.uk, and you can send us an email as well, and we'll be here to support you and guide you all the way through.
Do you give opportunities to those who want to gain legal experience, work experience?
Absolutely. So if you are a law student or you've actually qualified already and you want to undertake legal experience, we're here for you. We provide all those opportunities for you to develop your skills.
And with case workers, I've had all sorts of stories from lawyers, young lawyers, working with firms as case workers, with stipends as a reward for caseload or casework. What's your firm like in dealing with issues like this? Are you any different?
We are very different. In a summary, are very different. We treat our caseworkers, our lawyers with respect. There's excellent pay. Like I said before, there's opportunity for development. You can have a mentor here. In terms of guidance and support, Case Law Solicitors will take you places if you want to do law. Interesting.
And with areas of law, family, immigration, employment, what's your message for clients who might be needing help in these areas of law, who might need help with their legal matters? Can they find solace coming to Case Law Solicitors?
Absolutely. So if you come to us, we handle each and every one of our cases with absolute care, and we ensure that we achieve the best results for you. So if you're out there, you have any legal matters, you're struggling, you just need advice, you need guidance, Case Law Solicitors will guide you through the process. We're always happy to help, to assist, and all our lawyers are qualified, they are experienced, and they are passionate as well about what they do.
Fantastic. You really like talking. I can see you too. You really do like talking. Yeah, before we actually go down to discuss a bit on tonight's topic, the effect of the pandemic on business and employment in the UK. You are a businesswoman.
I am, yes.
Can you tell us a little about what you do business-wise and how people out there can actually benefit from what you do as a businesswoman?
Okay, so the name of my business is called Exotic Fruits and Cocktails. So we specialize in fresh fruit displays, palm trees, fruit platters. I've also brought some samples. So we also do smoothies.
Wow.
We do mocktails and cocktails. This is normally for weddings, christenings, and then we also have ginger shots. So in light of the pandemic that's going on, I created some new products. So the ginger shot it has many health benefits, but the most important benefit is that it boosts your immune system.
Wow.
And so but other than that, it boosts your overall health. It helps with indigestion. If you suffer with constipation, the ginger shot is a very good product to go with.
Wow. Please do get in touch with Helen Kehinde if you are in need of any of this product. I'm going to be sampling them, and when I come in next week, I'll tell you how they taste.
I would love to hear your feedback.
Thank you so much for that. Let's get down to business. The effect of the pandemic on business and employment. How has the legislation governing employment changed over the last couple of months since coronavirus? We know a lot of people are out of work. A lot of people have lost their businesses because they couldn't cope, they couldn't pay rent, they couldn't pay staff. I've heard about good, hardworking people who are now having to go and sign up for benefits. What's the legislation governing employment? How has it changed over this period? What hope can people, get from the present legislation regarding employment?
So employment law at the moment, it is transitioning, and the reason why it is because of the changes happening due to COVID-19. And right now the government is carefully reviewing the legislation, and this is purely to protect employees, employers, to protect businesses, to protect people's livelihoods. And the law itself is evolving to what is to the current situation. So I can give you a recent law that has just been passed, and it's called the Health Protection Coronavirus Self-Isolation Regulation 2020. And this new law was purely just to protect employees and employers. So for example, where an employee is self-isolating, now the law states that your employer can't force you to come into work because you are self-isolating. So these are like the current changes that are happening in employment law to protect people's livelihoods, protect people's health, and also to protect people's futures post-COVID, during COVID, and also Brexit as well is coming up. Absolutely. So it's generally to protect everybody and to protect everyone's livelihood. And the Lord Chancellor did say, the Chancellor, Rishi Sunak, and he said the government can't save everybody's job, but they
yeah.
will do their best to save as many jobs as they can. So it's a evolving area. It's still going to evolve over the next coming months and even years because of the outbreak of COVID-19.
Okay, for people who will be isolating, is there any grant, any compensation for the period they will be out of work while isolating?
Yes, I know the government is introducing a new law regarding that, and also there is statutory sick pay as well that employees can apply for while self-isolating.
Okay, I think I heard about if you've been asked to isolate by test and trace, you are qualified to apply for £500
up to £500
if you're on low income.
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Okay. And for businesses, is there any hope? Like you said, the government cannot save every business in the UK. The government cannot help everyone in the UK. But is there any help business-wise? I know there is the bounce back loan and
exactly.
the likes of them.
Yes, so there is the bounce back loans where business owners can apply for loans from £2,000 up to £50,000. We've also got the Retail and Hospitality and Leisure Grant Fund, where businesses in that sector can apply for a one-off cash grant. We've also got there's loads of support that the government is giving, but those are the main two. And then also business owners can opt in to defer their VAT payments up until March 2022. So there is a lot of support out there that the government is introducing. So if anyone is interested in knowing more, they can go to the Gov website, which is www.gov.co.uk, and just type in business grants or business loans, and you'll get the full list of what you might be eligible for.
Interesting. I'll go on a short break. She loves to talk. We could talk through the show without even having a break at all. But I'm going to go on a short break. And when we return, you might be able to call into the studio tonight, ask your questions, chip in your contributions, and we will be glad to hear from you. Don't touch the dial. We'll be back.
Thinking of a well-experienced solicitor to deal with your legal matters? Think KACE Law Solicitors. We are a group of experts who knows how to deal with your legal matters, ensuring your desired results. Our team of lawyers have over 40 years' experience dealing with immigration law, family law, civil litigation, criminal litigation, employment law, housing, and welfare benefit. At KACE Law Solicitors, we provide professional legal services with enthusiasm and passion. To find out about how we can help you, please call us today on 020-782-0164 and 0. Our 24 hours mobile line is 077-239-5093 and 0. For more information, email us on info@caselawsolicitors.co.uk or log on to our website at www.caselawsolicitors.co.uk. Our office is located at 81 Lothian Road, London, SW9 6TS. Contact us today and you will be glad you did. At KACE Law Solicitors, your peace is our priority.
Thanks for staying with us and welcome back. Like I said, the studio line is open now. The line to call is on the screen. It would be good to hear from you. People watching us at home, you could ask any questions from our beautiful lady, lawyer and businesswoman here. And if you have anything you want to chip in as well, contribution-wise, it will be good to hear from you. We should be able to take a call or two before we say good night to you tonight. Thanks for sharing us on here tonight. You love to talk and I love to talk, so it's good having you with us again. Let's quickly look at the job support scheme being offered by the government to assist employees and employers due to struggles caused by the pandemic.
Yes, so there are various support schemes available, but I'll talk about the main ones today.
Okay.
So, as we know, back in July, the government introduced the furlough scheme. So this was purely to help employers continue to pay their employees' wages while they had to temporarily stop work due to COVID-19.
Yeah.
So now from the 1st of November, the furlough scheme will now be replaced by the job support scheme. So the only difference is that the government will no longer pay up to 80%. So it just means employees will get paid for the hours that they've worked. And now, rather than the government purely just paying, it also means that the cost of the wages will be split between employer and the government.
Wow. Okay. And I'm going to move briefly from that to people who are self-employed.
Yes.
A great number of them weren't able to get any major support from the government. And this is where we come to business area. How easy will you say it is to start a business in the UK for someone who is self-employed and is not getting any serious support at this moment and is thinking of how to survive post-COVID? What would your advice be? Or for someone who has been in employment but now is unemployed, and the best option is to go for business, as I don't think any major company or any organization is hiring as it is at the moment. So for so many people, business will be the next option. So what would you say they should do in the process of wanting to start a business? And how easy will you say it is to start a business in the United Kingdom, going by the fact that you're already into one?
Okay, so I'll answer your first part briefly.
Okay.
So for anyone out there who wants to start up a business, I am an entrepreneur and I'm always supporting other people that if that's your passion, if that's your dream, go for it. Don't let anything stop you. And it might seem strange starting up a business during a pandemic, but surprisingly, a lot of businesses have actually been created during COVID-19 and they are thriving and they are doing really well. So if you're out there, you're business minded, you have a passion about a certain product or a service, I would say go for it. Get your business plan ready, speak to other people in your field, get advice, get feedback, and also most importantly get criticism so that you know where you need to improve. But my overall advice would be, if you have a passion for something, you're giving it your all and you'll be determined to succeed. So definitely go for it. Start a business during this pandemic if that is your desire. And from my experience, whether it's been easy or not starting a business, it hasn't been very easy at all. It's been very challenging. Over the years, I've faced various challenges, and a lot of people will see your business when it is successful and believe that, oh, if you can do it, oh, I can probably do better. But it's not until you actually get into it that you realise how difficult it can be. And for me, I treat my business like my baby. So, for example, before you have your baby, you're pregnant in expectation of that blessing or of that project. And you're eating the right things, you're just doing the right things to make sure it's a good outcome for you. So with a business, if you want to start a business and if you want to know how easy it is, it really is not easy. But if you're determined and you love to solve challenges, then the business way is for you.
Wow, interesting. And is there any business startup loans that people who are actually looking to go into business could access?
Yes, the government is offering startup loans for small businesses, for micro businesses as well. So if anyone is interested in knowing more about the loans that they could be eligible for, they can go to the Gov website, so www.gov.co.uk, and you can just type in small loans or cash grants for small businesses or startup loans, and you will get a list of what you could get
from
from the government. And there's also other organisations,
I was going to ask,
who offer various, like for example, one-off cash of payments. For example, I came across the Facebook grant. It's called a Facebook Small Business Grant.
Oh, Facebook is offering
it is, and surprisingly, they're offering, I think the cash amount is 1,700 for businesses. So if anyone is interested in applying for that grant, they can type in Facebook Small Business Grant and it will tell you all the criterias, and you can also apply straight online.
Wow, fantastic. It's been wonderful riding with you tonight on the topic, the effect of the pandemic on business and employment. And thank you so very much for all the information you've given out. I had the studio phone, ringing, but our time is kind of up and we need to go quickly. Next week, by the grace of God, we'll be having in the house with us a medical doctor who will be having a chat with us on health and well-being during the pandemic. You want to be part of next week's show. Before you go, what will be your last your word, your sign out word for people out there during this period? What should people do? There is a lot of fear out there. There is this fear of winter is here. We have increased cases of COVID. People are still dying. What would be your signing out encouragement?
My word of encouragement would be have a positive mindset. And no matter what, there's a saying that says at the end of the tunnel there is always light. So whatever challenging situations that we may be going through, that it would always come to an end. So have a positive mind. Speak to your family and friends about your fears. If something is stressful, speak to someone. Don't hold it in. And most of all, be loving, be kind to everybody.
Exactly.
Help
That's
people as much as you can. But don't let the fear of COVID-19 overtake your life.
Show love, be kind to everyone around you. Don't let the fear of COVID overtake your life. Till I see you same time, same station next week. Please stay safe and God bless. Good night.
Exotic Fruits and Cocktails specializes in fresh fruit displays such as palm tree displays, fruit platters, fruit carvings, and a variety of personalized fruit displays. We also provide an excellent range of fresh organic juices and smoothies, and we provide an outstanding cocktail and mocktail service for all private and corporate events, including weddings, birthday celebrations, christenings, and all types of celebrations. If you are interested in any of our products, please give us a call on 079 511 70889 or check out our website.
Thinking of a well-experienced solicitor to deal with your